You're racing a tractor?
No, I'm a digger tractor.
Oh, a digger tractor, okay. Okay, enough, let's go. We're gonna have to get in the car. Let's go in the car. You have such strong little legs. No turning the key. Might start the engine. We can't start the engine because I don't know how to drive it.
No, I do.
You do? Look, did you see?
Just like this.
Oh, just like that? Did you know that there's another seat behind you for the other digger?
Look!
Is that cool?
Yes! I saw it, I watched it. We can like this. We can do it this. I want to put on a big on the front.
No, we missed a lot. I needed like 2 more inches in my reach. No, you're taller. Fairy Godmother's going to look for some more blackberries, which gives you a little more playtime. He's back in the car. He's already back in his seat. He's already back in his seat. Okay, Renzo, wave at me. Renzo. Thank you.